I Rochelle I talk to.
Oh?
Elder, where you elder, you know?
Which Ella?
You don't know elder. No John's where they come from.
Yeah.
Yes, so me ask you where you elder, you know?
Like?
If you're not in a relationship, you're in a dealings, what go on?
Who is
Look here, just go on, just behave like your blood clot sense, because I don't have time for fuckery, no girl.
Eh?
Talk up, girl. Me ask you a question, I gotta say who is you. I don't tell you, say Rochelle up on the phone already.
Which Rochelle? Rochelle from where?
A Spanish town me come from.
But who you to him?
Me and girlfriend soon to be baby mother.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
Soon to be?
Yeah.
Baby mother?
Yeah.
You sure?
The girl asks if me sure to blood clot. What kind of hands out is up on me night? What do you mean by me sure?
Yeah, send that to the same daughter.
Same have a daughter?
Yeah, stop letting that. Him not tell us say have a daughter.
Him not tell me say I have one little baby girl, but me not know much about her.
I'm your mother.
Are you a baby mother?
Yes, I'm your mother.
So you still involved?
We are involved like as in
Yeah.
No, you have to take care of daughter.
So wait, no man, something more than that a go on, man. Something more than that a go on. Something a go on at this blood clot in the night. Something more than that a go on, girl. I better you talk up, because I don't want to get me don't want me head plug out, you know.
So he never tell me about no other girl.
Why would he tell you? Why am I gonna tell you?
Then if he come visiting daughter, and when he come visiting daughter, he not say nothing.
Girl, no mind my voice. I saw me talk strong. Better you talk it truth, you know.
But you tell you what is what.
You know, say a lie you tell. A lie you tell, you know.
Oh, you fi tell me say a lie me a tell.
A lie you blood clot. You know, say a lie you tell. You know, say you a liar, girl.
Oh, Christ.
You want Ella and you nothing.
I seen baby father and baby mother wise.
No, in a dealings, relationship.
What kind of relationship you getting now?
When the blood clot, this when they come like I say, me feel like say me done started. You don't know relationship?
Relationship as in there?
Yeah.
But we getting married or what?
What
do you mean?
So when you getting married, then I use this to me now. When I get married, then me they think that just so when I get married.
What you saying? Enough to come clean that then.
So you tell me say when I get married, that you just say? That you really just say, girl. You say when I get married, where the blood clot?
Which relationship you talking about?
Me ask her if you in a dealings, just say no. No, you tell me say ring them on your finger when I get married.
No,
what
you don't get me right. Listen, because
you just say when I get married.
You sit on somebody's phone and I make up this rant time and I say all these things. Oh, you should say that. How could you say that? How could you say that? What are you saying?
You know what? Let me calm down, you know. Let me calm down.
First of all, you say you're pregnant, don't you? You don't say pregnant. You don't say pregnant.
Let me calm. You know, Patrick, come here. Can you see if me live in this blood? Come chat. Come, I don't know what I'm going to do. Come here, so them are going to get married, you know. No. Now, Ella. Good night.
Yes, hello?
Yeah, good night. Who is the owner?
Listen.
Yeah.
First of all, wait, listen. You listen to me?
Yeah.
You're addressing by Ella, but what is his name?
She run gone out of door, you know. Like a mom here, she gonna mash up sitting out of door, you know. What really a go on? What go on?
What is his name?
Me don't know him, man. Me don't know him. Me a brother, me just come from country. You understand me?
Well, you still not understand.
No, she say you and me. She gone up on one part. Me don't even know like she storm out, gone out a gate. So she tell me about married and what go on?
She not tell me but listen, I cannot have argument with a person who just come to me and say if you know Ella. Who is Ella? What's the elder's name?
What you mean by own name elder? Then you not just how the bomb. Yo. You know say how are you really going?
Listen to me now. You listen keenly. To ask her what is his name, if it's
Me
elder
can't
is
ask her,
his
she
name.
gone.
She not get that.
So hold on there. Are you elder baby mother?
Yes.
So you're elder in a relationship?
You constantly asking about relationship. Me ask her what
First
she mean
me
by
ask you, you know, she ask you. First me ask you.
What she mean? So me not feel
Like,
in a relationship with my father.
Uno there.
Me not feel in a relationship. Listen, you me not feel in a relationship with my baby father.
I mean, if you not there, lady.
So me not feel in a relationship with him.
No, yet. Lower your voice, you know. Lower your voice, man. So, you in a relationship or what? You not there?
I'm asking you if I should not be in a relationship with him.
So, you not there?
Oh, if you there?
So, now me ask you and you say if you not in a relationship.
I force me hear this hour now.
You not there or you not there? Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl.
Listen up, Mr. Torres, what she mean. If she mean married hour, means a young girl. And if me don't know who she talk about, me a young somebody, so me don't know who she talking about. Who is she talking
You know,
about?
sir, right now you stress me out. First, you're going to say, yeah, you're elder, your baby father. With the bumbo clock, you say elder, your baby father. Now you say, you don't know who she talk about. You know elder, or you don't know elder.
Well, listen to me. It can be mistaken identity. Because my baby father his name is Elder, but that is not his name. Then I'm going to refer to him as Elder. That is not his name.
So wait.
That is not his name.
Elder named Rufus.
No, along somebody then. See?
Bumbo clock. I know Rufus baby mother this.
Yes, it now.
Come here, say no sound like you, you know.
And me. Somebody
Like a wrong elder. Come here, say no sound like you, know, baby girl. Oh, me there, I say no. You know, sound like a elder baby mother this, you know.
No.
Elder short aren't tall. You're elder.
My elder big man. Big man.
Look, elder with me I talk about him about 5'2", you know, and short, brown man.
No, listen. If I don't know who you are state name Rufus, my baby father named Vincent Hunter.
Lord
Vincent
Lord.
Hunter.
I know nothing like that. I know no name like that.
So that me try to
I know no name like that. Look at girl nearly. You know say I want my sister want mad girl.
Listen to me now. Oh, she will call my phone and I rant and something because me ask her what is his name. Because
Baby girl.
name Ella as well, because only way I name Ella is because my big man and they call him Ella.
Me right. Elder man middle name, you know. The man and me at a elder middle name.
No, in the name so.
Me right.
In the name so, baby.
Lord God, baby girl, oh God, man, what your name? Jesus Christ, a wrong number to block. You know, say Rochelle a mad girl. A mad girl that you know, because she call you and a cuss her, she didn't even find out.
She not find out nothing when me
What is
trying to say.
your baby girl, sorry, you know. Sorry, man.
She had, because me I say, I could never, my baby father.
So, Elder have a daughter.
My baby father big. And my baby father have 11, my daughter make 11. So, me not understand.
No, man, another Elder, them, man. Another Elder, baby girl.
Simple question and she thumb up. Before you simple talk to me like a big person.
John was oh, baby girl, man. I wrong number. Another Elder, them, that the man, they not no pitney.
But that me I say,
John, man.
Because my daughter make 11. And big name Pitney overseas and Pitney out here, so I don't understand what she say.
No, man. No, man. Overseas. Nothing like that, man. I wrong elder. Baby girl, I'm sorry, man. And there for me and my sister. I'm sorry. You understand me?
I don't explain to her, and she has say all these things. If you take listening ears.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, man.
Listen to
so
me.
You
remember, say people don't really take time on the ordinary. And true means a real person can reason, you know. We don't really quick to jump up because first of all, my baby father,
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Baby, yeah, man. I wrong number. I wrong number, man. Chantal, you say your name.
Yeah.
Chantal, not tell.
Chantal.
I tell we are call, but bumbuckle. You know, say, yo. John was the wrong number, baby girl, man. So, well, you know, say, boy, me I tell you. You kind of sound nice still. You sound really nice.
Because when she said baby father, but me said to her, but here oh she not acknowledge what she has said to me. Me said to her, I said, do you know say you have a child? So if you're pregnant female and first picking, you're okay. Oh, you think I know say you have a child? That is wrong. My daughter father, she's the 11th child for him.
Yeah, hear me as a baby girl.
She's the 11th child for him. And she know it can her brother and sister.
What this me take up on myself in the night. You hear me, baby girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wrong, me say a wrong number, man, but me I say you sound nice, you sound really nice, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, I wonder if I can WhatsApp you.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Because business account, man. I'm not really do WhatsApp on this business.
Oh, business account. Okay. So like I wrong number, I can take out your number out of my sister phone.
Oh, what's the problem, you know? Because she come down already.
No, man, a wrong number, man. You know, say a wrong somebody, a wrong person, man. You know business about Rochelle a mad girl. You understand me? And me and you, me I talk about right now, baby girl.
You simple tell her, say, be a wrong number.
Yeah, man, me I go tell her and explain to her, man.
You can't trust people like so. You're pregnant, you settle down and relax. Relax.
Yes, so I say I can take out your number and call you sometime.
If I'm available, I'm not at her.
Okay, baby girl. You say your name is Chantal. Chantal. Okay, and I am Patrick, okay? Alright, baby girl.
It's wrong.
Yeah, man, me I go tell her, man.
The number that she take out is wrong.
Yeah, man, me I go tell her.
Yeah, tell her please.
Me I go tell her.
It's wrong. The number that she take out the phone, maybe it's mixed up by a next number.
Yeah, man.
It's mixed up by one digit, but it's not my number.
Me I go tell her, man. Alright. What a woman for chat. Yo, me never see somebody. Big up yourself, Romeo. What a woman for chat. No man like she wants somebody for chat for a long time. What a woman. Me didn't even remember saying up watching me. What a woman for chat. Big up yourself. Big up. What a woman for blood. A woman did that chat me out how long. Sure. Rich. Mid blood.